Fox and Dog Gamer. What's up, everybody? It's Fox and Dog Gamer. And look at my garden. So pretty. Last time I planted a garden, but whatever. Yesterday was Christmas, but it's not actually. In the game it was Christmas, and I got a lot of bells. I got some stuff here. Let's see what. 1,000 bells. So I basically earned 2,000 bells because they're both 1,000 bells. So I'm going to pick up all this stuff. And hold on, let me check on my garden. Uh-oh, that's bad. I need to water that. It's not working. I think it only works on like plants. Not like flowers, but plants. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna plant that. Okay, so here's my hammerhead, and so I got some items. Okay, so now I put the 1,000 bells. Should I put the couch here so my seat is like a couch? Let me try that. Okay, I can't do that. Let's see. Should I place it here? No, here. Yeah. I can't place it. Come on, man. Right here. It looks wonderful. Oh, it looks wonderful. It's beautiful. It's a masterpiece. Total masterpiece, I tell you. All right, what else? No, I don't want to. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna put the candle on my desk. No, No. I should plant the tree. Yeah, I'm messing up. I'm messing up. Okay, let me try plant that. Oh, it's wonderful. Look at that little beauty. Let me water it. Someday you will grow up to be nice and strong like me. I'm gonna water you until you die. I'm gonna water you. I'm gonna water you whether you. Oh wait, I think it grew. Well, I'm gonna water you whether you like it or not. Or I'm gonna step. No, I'm not gonna step on you. It was good to place it right next to my garden. All right, let me pick up my stuff that I dropped over here. And I'm gonna go. Wait, what's this? Or we don't need that. Oh yeah. Oh, I know who this is. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna let them pick that up. But last time I sold peaches. Sorry about Ice Age. Okay, but last time I sold peaches for stuff. Oh no! Run! No! Stop! Stop! Please! Oh no! Ah! No! My eye! I look so stupid now. Oh no. Uh-oh. I gotta run. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Somebody! Is it? Help! Help, please! Please don't look at me. I gotta run in and get some medicine. Hold on. First, I want to see the people's reaction. What would they say? No, I know what they'll say. Yeah, I know what they'll say. But I need this medicine. Yes. It's not. 400 bells is not a bargain. You stupid raccoon. All right, let's go. Bye-bye. I hate having this bruise. I ran away. I should have ran in my house. That was stupid of me. The first tree I shake. Yikes! I knew it. I knew it. Oh. I didn't scare you. Let's see what you say. Yeah. Don't be rude about it. You don't have to be rude about it, punk. Where's my butterfly catcher? I want to hit you. I don't have one. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to hit you. You have a green shirt. Okay, whatever. But I need to get this medicine on. Ah, I'm perfect. I'm safe. I'm safe. These cruel trees. See, in my videos, I always say I hate the trees because they slow me down in races. They slow me down in everything. I hate the trees. One of the things I want to do is I want to go check out the museum. Oh, wake up! Okay, let's check out the paintings first. No paintings here. Okay, there is no painting. I should have known. Ooh, coffee. My favorite. No, it's bitter. It's bitter, but no one can stop me from having it in this game. Help! Okay, very fancy schnancy place. Okay, I want to play a music instrument. No? Okay. Take this. Yes, please. Hold on. I like the sound of the coffee. Sounds like pee. Okay. You slide on over. You sound so old, man. Okay, you're old. It's kind of cool. No. My voice. Ah! That scared me. Let's see, what do you... Woo! Okay, I hate that noise. I hate this music too. You look so old, man. You just said, how, what does how mean? In your language it means, you're stupid. How? And it is not Monday. Okay, how means bye. How? Did you hear me say how? Okay, whatever, he doesn't care. Okay, fish. Yeah, I'm gonna go see some fish. I like fish. Where's the fish? Nothing. Nothing. What's in here? Let's see. Thank you. I don't care. I want to see fish. I don't want to see your stupid notes. Wow, I hate this place. Okay, let's go upstairs to see some constellations in the day. Hey, lady. Who? I beg your pardon. I don't care. Oh, don't get mad. You're adorable. Okay, I'm gonna say that. Oh. I just got some sparkle in my eye. Do you want to get some tea with me? I'm just kidding. No. You mustn't. Taste these. Oh my. No, you're so mean. I want to go see some. I want constellations. I don't want to hear about constellations. I want to see constellations, you butt. Oh, you don't give me it? Oh, I'm going to sit in your chair and I'm going to mess up your books. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I'll be visiting places no boy with a fox t-shirt ever visited before. Hold on, can I catch a dragonfly? Hold on. Uh, no? Let's see, where'd you go? Come out, little guy. I just wanna play. Oh, you wanna play hide and seek? Oh, I can play hide and seek. Yeah, let's play hide and seek. I'm gonna visit my friend. Is this Pate? Pate's in here. Is Pate in here? Pate? Pate, the poo-poo man? Who's in here? Pate! I hate that. Turn that music off. Oh, yay. Yeah, and don't call me Skippy again or I will shoot you. And your little duck bill will bleed. Just listen to the music. It's horrifying. I'm so scared. Oh my. Ah! Bring it down a notch, Pate. What is wrong with you and your music? Bro, you just have a desk lamp on the floor. Wow, you treat your stuff good. Very good. I'm gonna visit your house. What are you? Maypa's house. Who's Maypa? Time to meet Maypa. Is it that koala? You better have happy music. I love this song. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, Grant Cracker Floor. I like your house. Looks odd. My house is so quiet compared to yours. Hold on, can I take a bath? I want to take a bath. What's this song called? Where do you keep your music? Tell me. Oh, well, Catos, along the sea and over. Okay, what are you? Quit singing. I'm gonna leave you. You're not telling me where the music is. I'm gonna leave you. Okay, who's this? Monty the monkey. Are you a girl? Yeah, you're a girl. Monty, I never knew you were a girl. Wow, I thought you were a boy. Okay. Oh, you're feeling bad. I love your house, bro. Monty? No, I won't go toward the light. You hear me? Huff, huff, huff. I can't speak too painful. No, I need to get him medicine. I want to chill in your jacuzzi, man. A bike. I wonder if you can. I'm going to get you some medicine. Don't worry. I'll be right back. Emergency. You're sold out. You have one of each item. You're so stupid. What is this? What's that? Okay, whatever. It's not 80 bells isn't a bargain. You ran. You're useless. I caught a dragonfly. You could catch a dragonfly. Fishy! Can I catch a water spider? Hold on. I want to catch every animal in the game. Come toward me, water spider. That landed right on top of you. Come toward me, my friend. Come toward me. No, you're running away. You're not coming toward me. Come here. Okay, whatever. He disappeared. Okay, who's this? Bob? Bob Wiley. Okay, let's see. What does Bob look like? Is he a monkey? No. A panda? No. A cat! And you have the same song. What's this called? Ragtime. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed in your house. I'm gonna be Goldilocks, Cayman. Let's see. Oh, Skippy! Funny meeting you here. Look, Bright. Could you... What? Oh, no! No! I made her sick. I'm making people sick. I'm making people sick! No! Wait, oh, no. What? Hold on. No! Your black stuff coming out here. I'm making people sick. I gotta run away. I gotta live somewhere else. I can't be making people sick. I gotta run. I'm sorry, Bob. Bob the cat. Let's see, who are you? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with Monty. Because he's already... Who are you? That's Mabla. The next thing you know, I'm gonna be making her sick. I gotta do something. What is that? Is that a spider? Lucas, is that you? Come here, Lucas. Lucas, quit hopping away. No, I better. Don't run out of power on me. Don't run out. Nope. Oh, no. Lucas, come here this instant. Oh, I hit a tree. I got you, Lucas. No, I didn't. Okay, my battery's running low. So guys, that'll wrap it up for today. Goodbye!